Associated with me during the years on Take the Floor, for all the years, I think the exception of 2 years, because we did one series in Belfast and we did one series in Cork. But all during the years, there was another man with me and with his troupe of dancers, and of course his name is synonymous with Irish dancing, and I'm delighted to see him here tonight. I haven't seen him for a couple of years, and I refer of course to Rory O'Connor. And Rory is here with his troupe, and now I would like to welcome the troupe who stood by me for the many years on Take the Floor. Ladies and gentlemen, Rory O'Connor and his dancers. During those years, of course, we was called dances. Well, now I've forgotten all the calling of dances, but the first one we ever did was the Walls of Limerick, which was fairly simple. I'll try and remember it. If I forget it, please forgive me. So, Rory, shall we go, right? Okay? First you dance to meet each other, then retire to where you were, advance again just as before, back again and mind the door. Ladies cross, side step left, now you stand in opposite place, then repeat in this same vein, face direction from whence you came. Then take hands of opposite lady and side step towards your left, now return to join your partner, prepare to swing roundabout. Keep on swinging, two next couple, dancing please as you go, face them as you've done before, now you're ready to start once more. Well, now, ladies and gentlemen, joined by Rory himself, a hornpipe.
Thank you.